Hola, I am Valeria. Welcome to MuyVerbs. In this lesson, you will learn one Spanish pattern that appears everywhere. Nouns are masculine or feminine. In English, we say the son and the daughter. In Spanish, we say el hijo, the son, and la hija, the daughter. The article gives you the first signal. El usually marks a masculine noun. La usually marks a feminine noun. So do not learn just hijo. Learn the full phrase. El hijo. Do not learn just hija. Learn la hija. Now look at the most common pattern. Many masculine people words end in o. To make the feminine form, that o often changes to a. El hermano becomes la hermana. El niño becomes la niña. Some professions work the same way. El doctor becomes la doctora. El cocinero becomes la cocinera. But here is the important warning. Spanish is not only one rule. Some nouns stay the same. Only the article changes. El estudiante, a male student. La estudiante, a female student. The noun is the same. Estudiante. The article changes. El or la. Another example. El pianista. La pianista. Again, the noun stays the same. Now let us test the pattern. First, hijo. The answer is el hijo. Second, hija. The answer is la hija. Third, a female student. The answer is la estudiante. Fourth, a woman cooking in a restaurant kitchen. The answer is la cocinera. Excellent. The goal is not to memorize one lucky answer. The goal is fast recognition. Article, gender pattern, noun phrase, then sound. In MuyVerbs, repeat the lesson until el and la feel automatic. In the next lesson, we connect nouns to adjectives. Alto, alta, joven and inteligente. Nos vemos en la próxima lección.